Today we are going to learn how to spell animals' name in our channel, Papa Kids Object Learning. Shall we go? Lion, Lion, lion. Meerkat, Meerkat, meerkat. Moose, moose. Monkey, monkey. Monkey. Mole, mole. Mole. Mongoose, mongoose. Mongoose. Marmot, marmot. Marmot. Newt, newt. Numbat, numbat. Ocelot, ocelot. Octopus, octopus. Ostrich, ostrich. Orangutan, orangutan. Otter, otter. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button.